through the night. She just wanted to tip.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Dante's Analysis and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually doing a reaction to Ice Age Boiling Point official teaser. And yeah, I'm actually really excited for this. I've been keeping up with Ice Age since, to be honest, since I was like a little kid. Like, the Ice Age movies have been like a big staple of me, like most of our childhoods growing up. And I'm actually really excited that it's coming out. It's coming out next year. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what the storyline is going to be for this. So, enough of me talking, let's get straight into the video. I mean, even though this is like a teaser. There goes the acorn. Scrappy! I say going for it. Yo, that is so funny. Alright, so that was Ice Age Boiling Point. It looks like it's going to be funny. I can't wait for this movie to come out next year, man. Reliving my childhood when I was a little kid. And, yep. And that's pretty much it. And thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on that notification bell so anytime I drop a video, you guys will be notified. Thank you everyone. Catch you next video. Peace.